So when it comes to the cover letter, we want to make sure that we definitely have everything perfect. We're going to take a look here at a good cover letter, what you should be doing then for it. So first, as we spoke about in the video on the basic formatting and what we should be doing, we want to start out with providing our information. So this is our contact information here. So you don't necessarily have to put it in the center as I have it here, but it usually helps to stand out better by doing it this way. You could align it all the way to the left here to align it with the rest of the letter, but like I said, just making it stand out here happens to kind of be like right in the face of whoever is receiving it. I always recommend that you then make your name just slightly larger in the font size, and then bolding it like you see here is helpful as well. Then you want to make sure to put your address, the phone number, and an email address. Then that open salutation that we have here, Dear Tom Johnson. And then remember, as I said, if it's a formal letter, which it will be a formal letter for any cover letter, then you use a colon instead of a comma. Then let's read through the rest of it. So the first part starts off, I am writing to express interest in the freelance position you currently have available. I learned about this position through Career Builder. So right away, we know exactly what the position is that is being applied for and exactly where this information was found. Many times when companies are posting information trying to hire someone, they will post it in multiple places. So if they know right away where exactly you saw this, in this case, the example Career Builder is where it was seen, then it helps them to figure out exactly maybe the verbiage that they put. Sometimes they're limited on the amount of verbiage that they put, and then sometimes they give even more information. So it's just a little bit helpful for them to know this info. After reading about your organization's current needs, I would be a great fit for this freelance position and would like to learn more about it. So here, saying that you've learned about the organization's current needs, so that means that you have looked at the requirements, the details, and you feel that you would be a good fit, again mentioning the name of that position, and you would even like to learn more. So that means definitely showing that you are interested in it, and you've done a bit of research, but still want to find out more information. Currently, I am a freelance writer-editor pursuing a project that allows me to demonstrate my organized, detail-oriented, and self-motivated professionalism. So here's a few things to point out here. Within their job requirements, it said that they wanted someone that was organized, detail-oriented, and self-motivated. So showing that currently by pursuing this, these are some of the details that the company is looking for, but also that they possess. And by using some of their words or keywords, those terms that they use, it does help and kind of stands out to them a little bit. I am a reliable and responsible individual, emphasizing an integrity and teamwork to do whatever is necessary to provide the customer with the services she requires. So here's some more information. They were saying within theirs that they wanted someone reliable, someone responsible, someone able to work as a team, working with customers. So using some of those key terms and words that they used to help stand out. During my career, I developed excellent writing and editing skills. The publications I wrote for in the past were technical in nature, requiring an ability to break down complex concepts for our intended audiences and to critique others' work in a constructive and professional manner. So here, again, kind of breaking down, saying that have developed excellent writing and editing skills. They said they wanted someone that had good writing and editing skills. We've mentioned that. The publications that they worked for in the past, so were technical in nature, meaning that more technical terms have been used. So taking and being able to break down complex concepts, so maybe something that's more maybe engineering, breaking down terms that make sense to the common audience or the intended audience, as they say here, is something that they're able to do. They're able to critique others in a constructive and professional manner then as well. So showing that they can work with their teammates or customers on a professional level. Working as a journalist in a fast-paced, deadline-oriented environment has also instilled in me strict attention to detail and innate curiosity. So here's something else that they have mentioned, that they'd be working in a fast-paced, deadline-oriented environment. And can you do that? It says, yep, I've done that before. And it also instilled in me strict attention to detail and innate curiosity. The detail is something they want someone that can find detail, a detail-oriented person, which we've already mentioned up here as well, but then making sure that we're adding that more here. Innate curiosity, here saying that if something doesn't seem right, and you're willing to look for the answer, find the answer, do some research. I enjoy working in a team and serving as a leader to achieve results for the good of the team. So definitely saying that, working in a team is something that can be done and enjoy it, able to do it. My writing, editing, and proofreading experiences are clearly outlined in my resume, which will also show you that I adapt quickly to new concepts and responsibilities with the capability of balancing multiple tasks and projects. So again, saying, yep, I've kind of covered stuff here, but everything's definitely well outlined in my resume. Also showing again, adapt quickly to new concepts and responsibilities, capable of balancing multiple tasks and projects. All of the keywords, again, the things that they were looking for. I feel that my skills are a great fit for your company, and I hope to have the chance to discuss this opportunity with you soon. Thank you for considering me for this position. I look forward from hearing from you. So just some quick information here. Again, kind of wrapping it up at the end, and then thanking them, of course. I look forward to hearing from you. You could also, if you wanted to, it's not necessary and not included here, but you could do this, where you do put then your contact information again. I look forward to hearing from you. Please feel free to contact me. And then you could, again, list your phone number and the email address, the two different methods in which they can contact you. And then again, ending with sincerely, leaving space for that electronic signature, and then, of course, your name. So that is an example of a good cover letter.